Mother's Day is coming up on Sunday, and you know, all ideas, but what does mom want? Does she want flowers, a card, a nice gift? What mom really wants is for you to make her breakfast. She does not want to
stay
get
in
up.
bed, does not want to get up and cook for everybody else in the house. So this is a chance Sunday for you to love on mom just a little bit. And this is not our idea. We recreated this from Pinterest.
Of
but
course, Pinterest
I
is
think
the
it's a
best
great
ideas.
idea, especially if you've got young kids. Get everybody involved. It's basically a charcuterie board with pancakes, fruit. I've laid everything out. We've got strawberries, blueberries, bacon, bananas, almonds. I've got some peanut butter here, also some whipped cream. You could also add some chocolate chips, some Nutella, and right now I'm just finishing it off with just some raspberries. But whatever your favorite fruits are, cherries, add some cashews, maybe some sausage. I mean, anything goes. Make it your own, and I guarantee you mom will love it. Maybe add a mimosa with it.
Ooh, there
Right?
you go. Just let her sleep in. Do this, something easy. Little kids can pick the raspberries out and put everything out on the table. A fun little activity.
And then
to,
you
to
can
make
sit in
something
bed
for
with mom and enjoy just a
Maybe
sampling
she'll
of
share it with you.
breakfast. Maybe so. I bet she will. So anyway, great idea for you if you're looking for just a way to treat your mom. Hopefully this helps.
Yeah, a bunch of moms are saying, "Hey, you guys watching?"
Raspberry?
Oh yeah, thanks.
Thanks.
Beth.
Yeah. She's eating for two.
Up next.